So, it's been about a month since my last Etsy video, and today we're going to be talking some Etsy, and not just any Etsy, Etsy print on demand. And if you guys are new to the channel, my name's Jack, and here on my channel we talk all about online business, print on demand, Amazon KDP now too, affiliate marketing, all the stuff in which you can make money online. So if you want to learn more about that, if you want to grow with me, subscribe. Actually, you don't have to subscribe. Just smash the like button, and yeah, I will send you a cookie, a virtual cookie, in the comment section if you smash the like button. Yep. Check the comment section right now. There's going to be a cookie down there. Anyways, about a month ago, I made a video on Etsy and my Etsy print on demand progress. And a month ago, things were going okay. Because it was Q4, I was actually seeing quite a bit of sales. But since then, things have slowed down, to say the least. And by slowed down, I mean I haven't got a sale since that video went out. Now, that's not to say that I'm not an Etsy expert, but I'm testing some stuff out right now. I'm going to keep you guys updated, but I just wanted to put out this video to tell you January's been a slow month for me too, and especially over on the Etsy side of things. I haven't seen any sales all year yet. Yeah, for the whole year. I haven't seen a sale since last year. Haha. Anyways, I just want to tell you guys that my Etsy, I got a plan. And here's the plan. Right now, we're about 14 days into the plan. I'm going to go over to my Etsy account and kind of show you the damage that this plan is doing. Alright, so something I actually did at the start of the year on January 1st was I set a $3 ad campaign for every day. So every day, I have a budget of $3 with Etsy ads. If you don't know what Etsy ads is, pretty much you can choose between $1 and $50 every day for them to spend up to your budget. And they basically put their ads in front of people, and you only pay for the ad when they get clicked. So there's a lot of chances to get free organic traffic or impressions without them actually even clicking on the ad. However, for it to actually be useful, they probably have to click on the ad, so it's probably going to cost me money, which it will. But here's my plan. So although I haven't seen any sales from 15 days of $3 ads, so I'm about $45 US down the drain. But is it really down the drain? That's the question, because I don't think it is. Here's the thing. I've been getting quite a few favorites every day, a lot of which come from my ads, some of them don't. But what I'm trying to do right now this month is on the listings that I have, I'm trying to build some organic rank. If I get some favorites on them, some add to carts, that can kind of create some more traffic, and these Etsy ads promote that. So at the end of the month, I'm going to turn the ads off, and we're going to go straight cold turkey, no ads, all organic traffic. And the ads are hopefully going to help that. But here's the thing. If you guys are new to Etsy print on demand, you might know that, ads, $3 a day, that's a lot. But here's it's worth it to me, because in order to succeed in anything, you got to test, right? You got to try stuff for yourself. And I have seen people say, yes, Etsy ads are awesome. Yes, Etsy ads suck. And here's the thing. I don't really know. I know that Etsy ads, a lot of the times, especially for lower profit margin items like my t-shirts, where I'm making $7 profit, but Etsy ads is cutting into that big time, so it doesn't really make it worth it so far. But what I do think that will make it worth it is the organic push it can give a lot of my listings, and that's what I'm going for here. So I guess we can now look at the stats that are on the page here. Yesterday I got 38 visits, and on average I usually get between 30 to 40 visits now with the Etsy ads. And I'll go look at my Etsy ads, we'll go check it out. But pretty much majority of the visits aren't even from ads anymore. I don't get that many ad clicks with $3 really. The ad clicks are usually between 20 and 40 cents each, so I'm not getting that many visits from just ad clicks. A lot of these visits are getting organic visits. If I go look at my last 7 days, these are all 7 days where I had a $3 budget set, so 249 visits. That's about 20 to 40 average each day still. And total views, 400. As you're going to see, no orders. If we go to past 30 days, you're going to see an order, I believe, because I got one in December. And that order was before I put on ads. But since I put on ads, I haven't seen any sales, $3 a day. You might say, oh, that's terrible. But, what we talked about, organic search. And if I go to my this month alone, no orders, 490 visits, and it is the 15th of January right now, so still pretty good stuff. And now let's go take a look at the Etsy ads damages. Alright, I'm zoomed in so you guys don't hack into my bank account, but you're gonna see negative $60. Canadian dollars are a little bit more costly than the US dollars, so it's gonna cost me $3.80 every day instead of just $3 in my currency to put these ads on my listings. And you're gonna see they spend my budget. That's 2 days in a row. I'm not gonna scroll down because that'll expose my shop. Not gonna do that, but $3.80 every day and no sales. I love it. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing, you know, what's going on. I wanted to kind of approach it with a lightheartedness because a lot of people, they are too hard on themselves, in my opinion. And I just think you need to look at it from a very long-term standpoint. It's okay if you don't see sales for a little while. If you keep plugging away, if you keep working at it, you are going to see sales eventually. Try not to put too many time frames on things because things are going to happen when they need to happen, especially if you're thinking about them in a positive way. It's going to be a lot easier to actually get the things you need to do done. Anyways, here we are on my ad page, and you're going to see I have a lot of ad views, right? 2,800, you know, 3,000, or 2,000. So every day I get about 2,000 ad views. That day was a bummer. I think I actually spent $3 that day. And then they said, okay, those were some pricey clicks and it cost me like 50 cents per click. But that's okay, my budget ran out quick. The ad views aren't really as important as the clicks. If I can, I want to get a lot of clicks, you know, for lower cost. But I do have my ads on every single listing, like 400 listings, which is probably not the best idea. But my plan is to boost all my listings organically, not just like 2 of them. And I want to see which ones are getting searched, which ones are getting clicks, and I can see that at the end of the 30 days. I can do more, you know, or an analytics overview, a more in-depth overview. So that's really good. But you're going to see like 4,000 that day. So that day, someone clicked on my stuff and they're spending like 10 cents. They're not spending 50 cents. So I got like crazy amount of ad views, or maybe actually instead of clicking, people just didn't click. So they looked at my ad and they just didn't click it. That's probably what actually happened. And that happened a lot of times. So I'm not sure exactly what happened there. But in total, 197 ad clicks. And every day you're averaging about 10 to 15 ad clicks, which is into a $3 budget, which is pretty good actually. That's not 50 cents each. That's far less. And I'm pretty impressed with that. But no orders from ads and no revenue from ads. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to do another update video on my Etsy progress, probably in about 15 days at the end of the month, and it's going to be my 3-month overview, something like that. And you can't see it here under my face, but you're going to see that I spent $48 on ads in the past 30 days, and that's $48 Canadian. But I do have a balance negative of $60 Canadian due to some other costs from Etsy fees. However, I'm not really worried about that. I'm pretty excited because January is a slow month. But January, all my organic traffic is building up in this big old snowball. And then February is going to come along and the snowball is going to go like this. It's going to be huge. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. And with all that being said, it's kind of the end of the video now. And let's go over to the end screen. Alright guys, so here we are on the outro screen. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for making it this far. I'm going to take a turn from someone else's video. And if you made it to this point of the video, type in the comments down below the word believe. And if you do that, I'm going to send you a second virtual cookie. So make sure you are on the lookout for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the like button. I will give you the cookie for that too. And I'll see you guys in the next video.